Welcome to the exciting world of Forex trading, where fortunes are made and lost with a single trade. Whether you're a complete novice or have dabbled in the markets before, this comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and insights to conquer the currency chronicles like a seasoned pro. In this journey, we will explore the shifts in the investing and financial landscape, unveil future trends, and offer actionable advice to ensure your success in the dynamic world of Forex trading. Chapter 1. A Revolution in Investing and Finance. The investing world has undergone a remarkable transformation in recent years. Gone are the days when only the wealthy elite could access financial markets. With the advent of technology, the barriers to entry have been shattered, allowing everyday individuals like you and me to participate in Forex trading. Online platforms and mobile apps have empowered us to execute trades from anywhere at any time, democratizing the financial landscape like never before. As we adapt to this digital revolution, the importance of financial literacy cannot be overstated. Understanding the fundamentals of Forex trading, including currency pairs, market analysis, and risk management, is the first step in your journey toward success. Chapter 2. The Future of Finance Unveiled. Imagine a world where financial decisions are driven by artificial intelligence and blockchain technology ensures transparency and security in transactions. The future of finance holds immense potential, and as Forex traders, we must be prepared to embrace these changes. Artificial intelligence, AI, will play a pivotal role in shaping the Forex market. AI-driven algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions with remarkable accuracy. By integrating AI tools into your trading strategy, you can gain valuable insights, enhance decision-making, and achieve a competitive edge. Blockchain technology will revolutionize the way we conduct transactions. Its decentralized nature eliminates the need for intermediaries, reducing costs and enhancing security. As Forex traders, we must keep a close eye on developments in blockchain, as it may influence the way we trade and interact with the market in the future. Additionally, the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, introduces exciting possibilities for investors. DeFi platforms allow users to access various financial services without intermediaries, providing opportunities for earning passive income and diversifying investment portfolios. By incorporating DeFi into our strategies, we can harness the potential for higher returns and greater financial freedom. Chapter 3. Navigating the Forex Seas. Your actionable roadmap. Knowledge as your North Star. Before diving into the fast-paced world of Forex trading, equip yourself with a solid understanding of the market's fundamentals. Learn about currency pairs, the factors that influence exchange rates, and the different types of market analysis. Education is the foundation of success in trading, so invest time in learning from reputable sources and experienced traders. Cultivate a growth mindset. Trading is a journey of continuous learning and improvement. Embrace every trade, whether it ends in profit or loss, as a valuable learning experience. Stay open to new strategies and adapt to market conditions. A growth mindset will help you persevere through challenges and become a better trader. Technology as your co-pilot. Embrace the power of technology to support your trading endeavors. AI-powered trading bots and algorithms can assist in executing trades, managing risk, and identifying profitable opportunities. However, remember that technology is a tool, not a substitute for sound judgment and analysis. Master risk management. As any seasoned trader will tell you, risk management is the cornerstone of successful Forex trading. Set a risk-to-reward ratio that aligns with your risk tolerance and trading strategy. Implement stop-loss and take-profit orders to protect your capital and secure profits. The art of diversification. Diversifying your investment portfolio across various currency pairs, commodities, and assets is a prudent strategy to mitigate risk. Avoid putting all your capital into a single trade or asset, as this could expose you to unnecessary risk. Discipline and emotional intelligence. Trading can be emotionally challenging, especially during times of market volatility. Maintain discipline in sticking to your trading plan and avoiding impulsive decisions based on emotions. Developing emotional intelligence will help you stay calm and rational, even in the face of adversity. Chapter 4: The Pursuit of Success, Challenges and Triumphs. The road to Forex success is not without its challenges. As you embark on your trading journey, you will encounter both triumphs and setbacks. It is essential to embrace a realistic approach and understand that losses are an inherent part of trading. To overcome challenges, seek guidance from experienced traders and build a network of like-minded individuals who can offer support and share insights. Learning from the experiences of others can be invaluable in shaping your trading strategy. Moreover, maintaining a trading journal can provide valuable feedback on your performance. Analyzing your past trades will help you identify strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. This self-awareness will enable you to refine your trading approach continuously. Congratulations! You've navigated the currency chronicles and are now equipped with the knowledge, insights, and strategies to thrive in the world of Forex trading. Remember, success in Forex comes with dedication, education, and a willingness to adapt to changes in the financial landscape. As you embark on your trading journey, stay curious, be disciplined, and nurture a growth mindset. Surround yourself with a supportive community, utilize technology to your advantage, and always prioritize risk management. Forex trading offers incredible opportunities, but it's also a challenging endeavor that requires constant learning and self-improvement. Stay committed to your goals, and over time, you will master the art of trading currencies and achieve the financial success you desire. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling adventure through the world of Forex trading. If you found this guide helpful, we'd appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to click the notification bell so that you never miss out on our latest trading insights and updates. Remember, the journey to becoming a successful trader is an ongoing one. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep honing your skills. May your Forex endeavors be profitable and rewarding. Happy trading!